I'm Billie Alexandria. Today I'm foraging in a field that's near my house, and there's some blooming goldenrod here that the bees are currently enjoying. Goldenrod is a really beautiful and useful herb. It's a diuretic, helps clean your systems. It is an anti-inflammatory to relieve muscles that are cramping. It's also really good for skin conditions like eczema. You can grind up the flowers. I like to make them into a salve, as well as I love to take baths with the flowers. The three plants that I've really been working with a lot lately this late summer has been a species of Amaranth that comes with these deep red flowers, fresh sage I've been loving using in my cooking, and Sumac, which is just coming in season, and I love to make a pink red lemonade with Sumac. Earth Soul is a catering and personal chef service that helps individuals and community engage land, engage their bodies, and engage spirit with ways that we are nourishing our bodies. As I'm cooking something, I can think of the spot that I took it from, the spot that I was able to give my gratitudes for putting in the work to growing and cultivating what's going to nourish my body. Cattail is a plant that grows abundantly around bodies of water like ponds or rivers. So you can use lots of different parts of the cattail. You can eat the cattail as well as use cattail in a bunch of different outdoor uses. So the tip is a great fire starter. I love to use it while I'm camping. You can eat the root of the cattail as well as the shoots that come from the stem. So it's important to identify cattail because there are a few other plants that look similar to it. Cattail is round and its leaves layer on top of each other. So when you're looking for cattail, you want to make sure that the stem is round and not square, and that when the leaves peel back, that they peel and layer on top of each other. So since we're using just the cattail shoots, we're going to cut right here. Foraging is such a tradition that we each come from. I think it really is an engagement that we've lost communication with, and foraging really helps us connect back to the earth. It helps us connect back to our ancestors, connect back to the land and our relationship and communication with plants. And it very much has helped ground me in not only recognizing and familiarizing myself with these plants that hold so much for us, but it also has helped me engage myself and my own body in a more holistic and natural way. As a Black person and as a trans person within a natural space, I find that foraging not only reminds me that I'm as natural as this earth and that I am a blessing of healing and growth just like the plants around me, but with the historical trauma that comes from the forced act of enslavement and the ways that our relationship to the earth as Black folks and as Indigenous Africans have been really twisted in removing us from lands that we had deep relationships with, had deep relationships of tending to, and then having to heal the trauma of colonialism and white supremacy. Food is such an important engagement for us to be able to reclaim access to our bodies. This earth is in deep collaboration with us. The earth loves us and holds us completely, and just like our traditions that come from our various communities and cultures, the earth has a deep tradition in providing for us, and we have a deep tradition in tending to the earth, and that is our relationship with one another.